One thing that I love to do in Notion, and I have been doing for years and years and always worked well for me, is habit tracking. Just tracking my habits, my daily habits in Notion. It just keeps me motivated. It keeps me, just shows me proof that I am making progress towards something. So I always like to have my habits connected to my long-term goals and to my vision, into something that I'm working on. I use the 12-week year method to set my goals, and I always, if you don't know the 12-week method, it's about breaking your goals into 12 weeks, and I always have habits that are going to help me to achieve those goals, and I use Notion for that. So I have a free weekly habit tracker for you in Notion. I'm gonna show you exactly how to use it. To get this habit tracker, I'll leave the link below. You can get the link on my website. The template is free, you can just duplicate it, and I hope you enjoy it. So let's go, and I'll show you how to use this template. Habit tracker. So first thing you need to do is to adjust your habits. So click on this engine. You're gonna open that, and you need to tweak the habits in here. So that's a reading, that's meditation, exercise, drink water. So let's just change one here so I can show you an example. I'm just gonna add that passive income action, and that's gonna be like that. So you can do that with all the other habits. You need to add the habits that you want to track, and you have your energy tracker and your mood tracker as well. You can add more mood options here if you want to, but once you finish, just press done, and then you just click on this button, and it's gonna go open. It's gonna open this habit tracker updated with the habit that we just added. So once you check things off, you are going to see that the progress bar goes automatically as well. And one thing that you can do, if you don't want to delete this habit tracker, you can just close the toggle and add to old trackers. The other thing that we have in this template is a daily routine. So you can add the habits, things that you do in your morning routine, in the afternoon, in the evening, and so you just have like a structure for your day. And here you can just edit the routines and the icon. And once you finish all of them, you can either check them here if you do like in the morning, or you can just press this button and it's going to check all of them in one click. And to start another day, just press the button start fresh, and this is gonna like reset the daily routine tracker. And here we have some images. I always like to have images that are related to my goals. This is just an example. You can get them in Pinterest or in any stock image bank. If you have any questions, just let me know. And if you love all things Notion, productivity, passive income, and personal development, just join my newsletter. In this button here, all you need to do is just leave your email, and I'll send you some Notion hacks, tips, freebies once a week, every Tuesday on your inbox. And if you have any questions, if you need any help at all with the template, just send me an email or message me on Instagram or in the comments, and I'll be happy to help you. All right, have a lovely day.